You could also use there for future, like there will be something on something, or there will be something in something. As I told you in the last two videos, that we speak there in the beginning of the sentence when we talk about something that is present in something or present on something. We speak there in the beginning of the sentence. So in the same way, we speak there for future. It is normally spoken when you guide somebody for doing something. If you want to tell the address of somewhere, then you can also use there with future. But you will speak will be after there, and then the thing after that, the other thing with preposition. For example, there will be a lot of people in the meeting. Means you are going to arrange a meeting, you are going to have a meeting, and you will go there, and there will be a lot of people in the meeting. So make your mind that you have to deliver the speech in front of lots of people. So there will be a lot of people in the meeting. In the same way, if you want to tell the address, you can say, go straight and there will be a hospital, then take left and keep going straight. There will be a narrow street, then get in the street and there will be your destination on the right side, like this. So there will be something on something or in something. All right, we can make more sentences with there, but I will tell you in the next videos about the other things. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye for now.